Hello students, today we will study about force and laws of motion. First of all, let us see what two students of my class are talking about. I am a skateboard champion. How did I fall down from my skateboard? Hello Novi, how are you? Why are you looking so much worried? YZ, I am a skateboard champion. Even then, I fell from the skateboard today. When skateboard was moving forward, your body was also moving with the skateboard. It suddenly stopped, but your body could not. That's why you fall down. Wisey, you are so intelligent. Tell me one more thing. That when we travel in a bus, when a bus is at rest and it suddenly starts, we fall backward. Tell me why. No, B, it is so easy. When a bus is at rest, your body is also at the rest. And when it starts, your body tends to remain at rest. That's why we fall down backward while a bus starts suddenly. Why, Z, I have one more question. Please tell me the answer. I have one glass filled with water and one board is kept on it. And over the board there is a coin. When I suddenly strike the board, the coin fell in the glass. Tell me why it happens. This seems complicated. Let us ask to our science teacher. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, children. Why are you looking so much worried? What are you talking about? You are very busy in talking to. Ma'am, why she could not answer one of my question. Okay, tell me what is your problem? Ma'am, I was asking when I will strike the board, why the coin will fall in the glass? Please explain properly. Very good, Nobi. This is very good question, and this is also my today's topic. Let us start with the topic force and laws of motion. There are three laws of motion given by the Newton scientist. First law of motion is also known as law of inertia. According to first law of motion, an object remains in a state of rest or in uniform motion unless it is acted upon by an unbalanced force upon it. Inertia is a tendency of an object to resist the change in the state of motion. It means an object will tend to remain in rest if it is at rest, and a moving object will tend to remain in motion until and or unless any external force is applied over it. In our daily life, we can see many examples of first law of motion. When driver applies sudden brakes, the passenger tend to move forward due to inertia of motion. So there are three types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. Okay, now I will give the answer of your question. Due to inertia of rest, coin fell in the glass when you strike the card quickly. Okay, Novi, do you have more questions? Why the leaves of a tree start falling down when we move the branch of the tree fastly? Wisely, can you try the answer? Yes, ma'am. When we move the branch of the tree, the branch will start moving due to the force applied over it, but the leaves will tend to resist this change due to inertia of rest, so the leaves will fall down. Why should we wear seat belt in a car? If the sudden brakes will be applied in the car, then we may fall forward due to inertia of motion of our body. So in this way we may hurt ourselves. So it is better to wear a seat belt. Okay, let us discuss the characteristics of the inertia. Inertia depends on the mass of the object. More the mass, inertia will be the greater. So, a heavier object requires more force to move it or stop it. Okay, students, Now the time is up for this class. In the next class, we will study about the second law of motion. I hope you enjoy today's class. Bye.